Welcome to the start of your workout week. You have 5 days, the business week, to get these 3 workout sessions done. During your workout session, make sure you stay hydrated as well. Water is essential to lipolysis. That's what burns the actual fat, that process. Water is also essential to the muscles contracting and being at their best. So please stay hydrated. If you decide to use any supplements, of course, you know I endorse Alphaline, so be sure to use code BigRon. But if you use any supplements, make sure you don't let that supplement cause you to skip or delay any of your meals. But using a pre-workout, make sure you take that pre-workout at least 20 to 30 minutes before the workout. Let's get it going, you guys. Day 1 is underway. Leg press. Leg press look different from gym to gym, and some gyms have multiple leg presses. Choose whichever one you want to, but make sure you're doing a leg press. Leg extension. This is your quadriceps, the front of your thigh. Bury your butt deep into the seat and extend to the very top and lower back down. Leg curl machine. This machine can be done in an upright position, or your gym might have you lying on your stomach. Either way it goes, it's your hamstrings at work. Dumbbell front shoulder raise. The front of my shoulders, my front deltoid is at work. Come up to at least eye level. No swinging in the back. Rear deltoid. That's the back of my shoulders. I'll be training that using the rear deltoid machine. Dumbbell side shoulder raise. The sides of my shoulder, my side deltoids are at work.